Hey guys, I'm Aditi. Welcome back to my channel, The Sublime You. So in this video, I will be telling you about a very simple ingredient that will be solving most of your skincare agonies. Yes, I'm talking of rice water. I will tell you how, but before that, I will just quickly share how I like to prepare my rice water. So what I do is, on most of the days, not all, on most of the days, what I do is I cook rice for myself, and when I cook rice, then I take the water that is strained out of cooked rice. No, I do not soak like raw rice in water and let it ferment. I do not do it like that. I use the water that has been strained out of cooked rice, and I can use it anywhere from a few hours after the water has been strained up to 48 hours. Okay, after that, if you use it, then you cannot really control the fermentation process, and I don't know if it's a good idea to store it in the refrigerator. So I just store only that much rice water that I will need for two uses, and if anything is left over after 48 hours, I just throw it away. So how this has benefited my skin, I will give you a very quick proof of that. Is that I again shifted to a new place, and in the process of my skin getting suited or acclimatized to the new surroundings, I got a few breakouts, and they were like looking kind of really ugly because there were quite a lot of them. And here I have the picture of my skin, what it looked once I had all the breakouts, and after just 2 days of use of rice water. Yes, just in 2 days. I hope you can make that. It has made some difference to my skin. Like it has a healing effect on the skin, where it heals if there is any existing breakouts or acne or rashes or redness, inflammation. It just heals everything. So yeah, it is good for any kind of healing or soothing of the skin. And if you have oily skin just like me, then it might be even better for you, because it also helps in a little bit of oil control. Yes, because once you apply the rice water, your skin might feel a little bit stretchy. So for dry skin people, you definitely need to follow it up with a moisturizer. But for the oily skin people, I think that is absolutely fine for them. Like it's fine for me. I just leave it there. And why the use of rice water has been so popular in the concepts of Korean beauty, I will tell you the science behind it. So what happens is, our skin, it contains a particular protein called elastin. Okay, and this particular elastin, it actually gives elasticity to our skin. So our skin is young and supple. But with age, this particular elastin starts degrading. How does it degrade? It is being degraded by an enzyme called the elastase. And what this rice water does is that it has kind of an inhibitory effect on the elastase, and hence it stops the elastin of your skin from being degraded, and hence you look younger for more number of years. Even when you actually grow older, your skin will look very young and elastic and soft and supple. Yes, so it has been very popular amongst the Korean skincare rituals, and I think it's a very good idea for us to adopt it as well. At least you can give it a try, because it has a number of skincare benefits. It has certain building blocks of your skin, like the lipids and the triglycerides and the starch, and it has so many antioxidants once you ferment it. So these things will overall maintain your skin health, whatever be your skin problem. So I think anyone should at least give this particular rice water a try. And rice water can be used as a toner, a mask, or just a rinse off. But I think I use it as a toner because like that way it stays on my skin for a lot of time. I don't wash it for 30 minutes just like it is given in most of the beauty blogs. No, I don't do it like that. I let it stay on my skin, and if my skin feels dry, then sometimes I top it with a moisturizer, but otherwise I just leave it like that. So that is it for today, guys. And if you have used rice water at any point of your skincare ritual, then please let me know what is your experience with it. Or if you have, like, if you are thinking of using rice water but have some questions, some doubts regarding it, then please ask me in the comment section. I will be happy to reply. And that's it for today, guys. Bye bye.